In this tutorial, we will create this object and this object. We will start with this object. Click on New, select Part, remove tick, use default template. Give name to the part. Okay. Then choose MMNS part solid. Okay. In this part, at first we will create this plate of 66 by 42 and 12 thickness. Click on Extrude, select the surface, then take the rectangle command, center rectangle, give the center point, take your cursor away and click. Then press middle mouse button, then give the dimension. Here it will be 66, enter, and here it will be 42. Double click and give the dimension and press enter. Then click on OK. Then give the thickness of 12, enter, click on OK. Orbit it. And next is to create the chamfer of 12 by 12 size. Click on chamfer, select this line, press Ctrl, select this line, give the dimension of 12, enter, click on OK. The next will be to create this plate of 60 height. We will create from this surface, therefore we will minus 12 from this 60. We will create this plate of 48 height and 12 width. Click on extrude, select this surface, click on sketch view, then take the references. We want to create rectangle using these reference points. For that, click here on references and select these lines, horizontal and vertical lines. Click on close. Then take corner rectangle command, give the first corner, give the second corner. Press middle mouse button, give the thickness of 12, enter, click on OK. Orbit it, give the height of 48, enter, OK. Zoom fit. Then here is the fillet of 21 radius. Click on round, select this line, press Ctrl, select this line, give the radius of 21. Okay. And next is this portion, triangular rim of 12 thickness and 42 height, and touching this line. Click on extrude, select this vertical plane, click on sketch view. Again take references, click on references, take reference of this line and this line, then this line, close. Then take the line command, give the first point, second point, third point, and close it back to the origin. Press middle mouse button, again press middle mouse button. Give the height of 42, enter. Click on OK, orbit it. Give the width of 12, enter. Now we want this 12 to be half on either side of this sketching plane. For that, click here and select this extrude on both sides of sketch plane and click on OK. Zoom fit. This object is ready. Click on save, OK, and click on file, close. Again click on new, remove this tick, select the part, solid, give the name EX32. OK, then select MMNS part solid. OK, and next is this part. In this part, at first we will create this bottom plate of 98 by 42 size and 20 thickness. Click on extrude, select this surface, then take center rectangle, give the center point, take your cursor away, click there, press middle mouse button, double click here and give the length of 98, enter, double click here, give the width of 42, enter, and click on OK, give the height of 20, enter, click on OK. Then next is this cut of 6 thickness. and location of 14 from either edges. Click on extrude, select this surface, click on sketch view, then create one rectangle with corner rectangle, give the first point, give the second point. Press middle mouse button, then give the thickness of 6, double click here, give the 6, enter. Place the dimensions, click on normal, select this line, take your cursor below and press middle mouse button, give the gap of 14, enter. Again select this line, take your cursor below and press the middle mouse button. Give the dimension of 14, enter. Click on OK, orbit it. Then reverse direction by clicking on this arrow. Then click on this remove material. Click here and select extrude to intersect with all surfaces. Click on OK. Now cut is created. Then next is this vertical portion. Here the width is 42 and height is also 42. This 21 plus this 21 and thickness is 14. Click on extrude, select this surface, then click on sketch view, then take the references of these horizontal lines, click on references, select this line, close, and click here and select center rectangle, give the center point and click on these reference lines, press middle mouse button, give the thickness of 14, enter, click on OK, orbit it, give the height of 42, enter, OK, zoom fit. There are rounds of 21 radius. Click on round, select this line, control this line. 21 is already there. Click on OK. Then there is this cut of 20 diameter. Click on extrude, select this surface. Click on sketch view. Then to locate the center of this arc, take the reference of this arc. Click on references, select this arc, click on close. Then click on circle. Here is the center point. Click there, take cursor away and click. Press middle mouse button and give the diameter of 20. Enter. Click on OK. Orbit it. Reverse it. Click here. Click on remove material. Click on OK. Next is this cut of 12 diameter at a distance of 24. Click on extrude. Select this surface. Click on sketch view. Create one circle on this reference axis. Take cursor away. Click there. Press middle mouse button. Double click. Give the diameter of 12. Enter. Now this dimension is given from the center axis. If you want to give the dimension from center axis, it will be half of this 50, that is 25. Double click here and give the distance of 25. Enter. Click on OK. Orbit it. Reverse it. Click on remove material. OK. Now same hole is required on other side. Now extrude 5 is already selected. Click on mirror. Select this as a mirror plane. Click on OK. Then this fillet of radius 5. Click on round. Select this line. Control this line, and this line. With the radius of 5. Enter and click on OK. This object is also ready. That's all. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.